Look at what is written on the board. Kwesi, what are you hiding? Sit. Shh. I do not believe this note. I must investigate. Akosua is back. Hell will fall. I learned she was in a relationship with Efua. They were really in love. Masa, the boys are waiting.
Did you get my message?
Yes, but I heard you're getting married.
Yes, but...
Congratulations, Kwesi.
Akosua.
I need to go.
No, there's something definitely going on and I, Kojo, will find out. This cannot happen under my watch. Never.
Why did you suddenly return after so many years? Some promises cannot be forgotten.
Efwa, why are you acting blind to everything?
What is going on?
Kwesi's secret relationship with Akosua and...
Kojo, why did you call me here?
What at all do you see in Kwesi? Is he a better man than I am?
If you have nothing to say, I'll leave. What's going on, my love?
What?
The rumors. You and Akosua.
There is nothing going on, Efua.
Since she came, everything has changed.
Don't worry about her, my love.
I trust you if you say so.
What's this?
Your mother's dying wish.
My mom?
Yes, your mom.
What does it say?
The day has come that you must know now that Akosua has come.
I'm listening, Grandma.
It's her wish that you marry Akosua to seal the rift between our families left unattended for decades.
How? What if she doesn't feel the same way?
We'll find out.
What about Efua?
Don't worry, I'll handle her.
Hey, Kojo!
You are my heart, and you are mine.